Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon, then hit enter. Then type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type in cd space c colon / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue.
it will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.